Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this video, I'm going to explain set and like how can we create and what are the basic operations in set and all those things I'll be explaining in this video. Okay, so let me start with set. So what is set? Set is nothing but set is a unordered collections of unique objects is known as set. Okay, and I need to there is no indexing slate. Okay, there is no indexing and there is no slicing in set. Okay, do write these points, guys. The first point is there is no indexing. Okay, there is no indexing in set. This is the first point. And the second point is there is no slicing in set. Okay, there is no slicing in set. And also set is mutable. Set is mutable. Okay, and always remember set will be in unordered. Okay, set will be in unordered. Okay, always it will be in unordered. Okay, and only like unique elements will be we can see in set. Okay, unique elements. Okay, yeah, so do remember this. And also set is a comma separated value. Okay, now let's see how can we create set. So to create set, first we have to write a variable and set. Okay, now if I see the type of this variable a, you can see this says set. Okay, this is how like we'll be creating set. Okay, now let's see how it is an unordered. So I mentioned set will be in unordered. Let's see like how it will be in unordered. So if I provide, let me take an variable name a, and always remember guys, set will be written in a flow brackets. Okay, it will be written in a flow brackets. So now I'll take some random values. Okay, like 10, 40, 24, 11 and 100 and 30. Okay, these are the random values. Now if I print this, I won't get the exact set in the output. I'll be getting an unordered. Okay, see, the 100 is not in the like in the zeros index, but it's in zeros index, it's present 10, but here in the output we can see it is an 100. Okay, it has been changed everything. Okay, for that only like we'll be saying set is an unordered. Okay, yeah. So now let me see, like if you want, I can show like one more example for this. Let me add one more thing, and let's take now b, 3, 6, 2, 10 and 2. Okay, let me print this. Print b. Yeah, you guys can see 3, 6 is not in the second place, but 10 not in second place, and it has been changed. And one more thing, the thing is here the duplicate elements will be removed. Okay, I will show like how like it will be removed. Let me take 10, 20, 30, 40. Again I will be writing 10. Okay, here the 10 has been repeated 2 times, 1 and 2. Okay, but if I execute this, I'll be getting 10 only one time. Okay, here it shows that the duplicate elements will be removed. There will be no duplicates element in set. Okay, Yeah, I hope like you guys understood about set, like creating set, and how like it will be used. There will be like it's always will be in unordered, and the duplicates will be removed. Okay, now let's see basic operations in C. Like what are basic operations are there in C? Okay, they are like add, remove, discard, pop, clear, length, and membership. Okay, let me see one by one. Okay, and the first one is add. So add is nothing but this is used to add a new element in a set. Okay, so let me give an example. I'll take 10, sorry, 20, 30, 40. Okay, now I need to add, I need to add, there is no 50 in this set, right? I need to add 50. Okay, now if I print this, you guys can see the output 50. Okay, 50 has been added. Okay, this is how like we can add the elements in set. Okay, next one is remove. Okay, so remove is used to remove the element in set. Okay, yeah, let me take the same set, paste it here, and a dot, sorry, a dot remove. So I need to take like which element I need to remove from set. So I want to remove this 30. Okay, I'll take 30, and if I execute this, you guys can see 30 has been removed. Okay, yeah. So the next one is discard. Discard is same as remove. Okay, it's same as remove. I'll show the same. A dot discard. Now I need to remove this 20. Okay, and if I print this, sorry, 20 has been removed. Okay, this is how like this discard and remove will be used. And one more thing, guys, I forgot to mention that in remove, if I want to remove the number which is not available in this set. Okay, at that time what will be the output? Let me show that. Okay, so I'll copy this, I'll paste it here. Now I need to, there is no 100 in this particular set, right? So I need to remove this 100. At that time it shows an error. See, it shows an error. Okay, yeah. So do remember, guys, while giving like the elements, be sure like that it's mentioned like it's available in the set. Okay, yeah. Now let's see pop. Okay, let's see pop. So pop, basically pop is also same as remove and discard, but the difference here is basically if we use the empty pop. Okay, if we use the empty pop, it will be removing the last element in the set. Okay, this is the last element in the set. 40 is the last element, right? So 40 has been deleted, I mean it has been removed. Okay, now let's see the next one, clear. So basically clear is nothing but it is used to clear a complete set. Let me give an example. So just a dot, I'll be writing clear. Okay, now you guys can see there is no output because it has been clear. Give me a second, forgot to print. It shows an empty set. Okay, yeah. So there is no like set, there is no like elements available in set. It's completely cleared, and it shows the output as set. There is an empty set. Okay, this is how like clear will be used. And length. So length is nothing but you guys know that it is used to find the like number of elements are available in sets, like how many elements are available in set. Okay, let me check, let me show that. So yeah, so you guys can see there are four, there are four elements are available in set, so it has been shown four. Okay, and the last one is membership. Membership is nothing but it showcases that is that particular element is present in particular set or not. Okay, let me give an example for this. I'll copy the same one. Now just I will write is 10 is in a. Is 10 is in A? If it is 10 is available in A, it prints as true, else it prints as false, like boolean values. Okay, now 10 is available in A, so it's 2. Now there is no 50 is available in A, right? So now I will write 50. Is 50 in A? Will be getting false. Okay, like this is how we'll be having like membership. Like this how like we'll be using this membership. Okay, like I hope you guys understood about these basic operations in set, and like how can we use and how can we create a set. Okay, hope you guys are understood. Like if you have any doubts, please comment below. I'll be like answering all your questions. Okay, yeah, thank you.